Welcome guys, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Jish and today we have got a heap of things happening in the workshop. I've sold near enough everything. That's right, I've been busy selling my bikes, handing them over to some wonderful people, including my pride and joy, Sweet Cheeks. That's right, Sweet Cheeks, the little trusty narrowboat, is now sold. The Kawasaki that we actually never got round to doing, that also got sold too. And sadly, the Suzuki. That's right, the Suzuki GS250. She's being sold. Now you're probably thinking, where the hell are the wheels? Well, they're actually being off having the tyres changed because the new rider, the new owner, lives in London and they don't really need knobbly tyres in London, but we're going for a nice medium, a nice classic looking tyre with a bit of meat to them that should hopefully look alright, function better on the London roads. I'm really sad to see this bike go, but needs must, and on to better and new things. We also have this new project in. Yeah, a little go-kart, where this little 500cc, this is a commercial spec go-kart with a solid steel frame, and we're fitting this little beauty in. 500cc GS engine. Whew. To say the least, it's going to be fast. That's all I can say. But yeah, that was the other bike that I had knocking around, which I was planning on doing something with, but it's going in a go-kart, baby. Let's see what happens. But before we talk about anything else, I've got a car full of wheels. We're fitting the BMW wheels today. I mentioned in the last video that I'm getting a new set of wheels for this car, and they've arrived. Tyres are here too, I just need to get it all fitted up. Should we get him inside and have a look? The moment of truth. This is what I want to see right here. Oh damn. Oh, they look good. They look good. Like a kid in the sweet shop, I couldn't help myself. A tasty set of JR21s. So while we are waiting for the wheels to come back from having the tyres fitted, I thought I would fit this new rear diffuser. The one on the car currently, as you can see, it's a bit tight, but is red. And it just looks a bit of an SE spec, you know, where this is a nice gloss shiny black, and I think it's going to accent the wheels really nicely. So let's get this put on. With some gentle persuasion and 3 lots of hands, we finally got it on. Jesus Christ. So we finally got the tyres fitted and they're looking great. But you find yourself a decent tyre fitter because some of them are that shady and have that little experience in knowing how to fit tyres to wheels, but they have been chipping away. But what they've done, they've scratched it and painted it in with pen. Made mincemeat of my wheels. Now the thing is, I usually wouldn't mind if they had an issue fitting the wheels and they said, you know, they've got to be done in a certain way. That's okay, that's not a problem. It's the fact that they hid it from me, didn't tell me, even got a bit of felt tip and just coloured it in so I couldn't see. That's what's shady. So I'm not mentioning any names, I'm not going to drop any names because that's just unfair, but I'll be sending these guys a colouring book for Christmas, that's for sure. But let's not have a moan, I've got tyres fitted now. Somebody else did them because they were able to, and I can't wait to see these on the car. It's amazing what a set of wheels can really do for a car. It can really transform the look. Let's have a real look at her. So we've finally got the wheels and tyres back. We've taken the old knobbly tyres off and we've got these nice knobbly looking road tyres. No idea what the brand is, but yeah. I'm really going to miss this bike, you know, and all the fun I had on it last year. I'm glad it still looks cool even with those less aggressive tyres on. But as said earlier, there's some wonderful people looking after these things now. And it's time for us to move on. And I know this kind of content isn't for everyone, but I'm excited for what's to come, and I hope you will be too. So with the GS gone and the BMW now sitting sweet, it's time to move on to something new. That being a new bike build. Underneath these sheets is what I'm expecting and hoping to be the biggest project I'll undertake. Something to push my skills to the next level. But sadly, you're gonna have to wait. Because we've got this bike to finish right here. This is the commission build, the GS250 Cafe Racer. Ready for powder coating, as you can see. And this is what I'm currently working on. And we're gonna get this finished before we do anything else. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed making this one once again. Click the like button if you like what you've seen. Smash the subscribe button if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.